So before getting started, in the description below I will leave a link of our website or our platform TMS Coupons. With TMS Coupons or in our website you can find some great deals and coupon codes on many different online softwares that you can use to optimize your online business or to scale your own business or even to start an online business. For example, once you click on it, you will see this interface, right? And you can see that we have many different platforms right here or coupon codes on this platform. So if you want to use, for example, for email marketing, we have Aweber discount code. What is Aweber? If you don't know what is Aweber is a platform that you can use to do email marketing for your business. So if you are selling products, if you are selling digital products, if you are selling online courses or whatever else you are selling online, you can use aweber.com to do email marketing, and as well you can use it to build landing pages for your product as well. So as you can see, this is the platform of aweber.com. As you can see, you can do email marketing, you can do landing page building, you can build your landing page or your sales page using aweber.com. As well, you can do email automation, so you can automate emails and send them to your email list. And yes, of course, you can use Aweber to build your email list by using a landing page or a squeeze page. And basically, this squeeze page will help you to squeeze or to get or to capture emails of your customers. And you can use e-commerce pages to sell products online. And you have as well the web push notification feature available as well on aweber.com email marketing software. The second platform or online platform that you can use as well is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, you just need to scroll down a little bit and here it is. So we have the ClickFunnels 14 days free trial. So clickfunnels.com is a platform that you can use to build online pages or landing pages for your product. So with clickfunnels.com you can build landing pages for your product, for example like this, or sales pages. You can actually add payment gateways like Visa card, Stripe, PayPal, alright, and you can increase your cart value. You can find all about that by visiting clickfunnels.com. And if you are interested, make sure to use our affiliate link or our coupon code to purchase ClickFunnels, and you will get 14 days free trial. As well, we have in our platform, if you are an Amazon FBA seller, we have the helium10.com. Here it is, helium10.com software. So helium10 platform helps you to get or to do product research on Amazon seller or on Amazon platform. So if you are a seller and you are looking for products to sell on Amazon, if you are doing Amazon FBA, this software, which is helium10 or even junglescout.com as well, or helium10.com software will help you to get or to find winning products that you can sell online on Amazon platform with the Amazon FBA e-commerce business model. So as you can see right here, everything you need to sell on Amazon and more. So you can use it as well on many different platforms, but it's more effective with Amazon platform to use it with Amazon FBA business. If you are a seller actually, or if you are interested in start selling on Amazon platform. So as you can see right here, you have more features. If you are interested, make sure to visit this website and make sure to use our coupon code. You can get 50% off for your first month on helium10.com platform. Now let's jump to the advice of today's video. So, you know, when you are doing dropshipping or selling products online or offline, well, the question is, where did we get these products from? For example, when we are talking about dropshipping, we are talking about importing products from China and then sell them around the world. For example, in Europe, US, Africa, wherever, we can sell these products using dropshipping or even cash on delivery business model. But the problem is not all of the products that are coming from China are good to sell or are good to buy. So if you are a buyer or if you are a seller, you need to make sure to put this advice in consideration, because some foods you should never buy, and these foods are coming from China. They may be just like normal food, normal products, I'm sorry, but they may be as well food products. For example, regular food that we eat every day or regularly. So we need to make sure to not get these products, or especially these food products or some products that you put on your skin or for your hair care or for your skincare products. You need to check the ingredients all the time. Why? I will reveal why you need to avoid this kind of food. So as you can see right here on dailythings.me website, they as well have an article about that, and they said 70 imported foods from China you should never eat. Why we need to avoid these products or foods, and what kind of examples, like apple juice, imagine, industrial salt, codfish, chicken, garlic, green peas, imagine, pepper, some soy sauces. Imagine why we need to avoid this kind of products. So when we are talking about China, we are talking about a far country. For example, if you are from Europe, US, Africa, China is far. It's like tens of thousands of kilometers of kilometers. So imagine, think about these products. For example, when you are talking about food, you need to consummate, or you need to buy fresh foods, right? Yes, we need to buy fresh foods or fresh products. Why we need to do this? Because foods actually, when it comes to time, it's so important. So you want some fresh food, not old foods. And when we are talking about food products that are coming from China, we are talking about old products, because it's kind of, let's say, 1 month. This product or this food have been made on China 1 month ago, and now you are going to consummate it, so it's not that fresh anymore. And in case, or if they want to keep this food fresh, they need to add it, or they actually added some chemical stuffs to your food to make sure or to keep it fresh. Because when we are talking about tens of thousands of kilometers, and when we are talking about sea shipping, we are talking about something like 1 month of the shipping duration. So the time of shipping takes sometimes 1 month, or even sometimes more than 1 month to achieve this product, or to receive this product or these foods. And imagine, some foods takes 1 month just to reach your country, and you can get an alternative foods that are actually made in your country, and they are fresh than this kind of products that are coming from China. So if you're buying products from China, it's okay, but it's not food. So all the time, make sure to put this advice in consideration, because imagine, if you are eating foods with chemical stuffs on, you know what is going to happen to your body and to your health. So all the time, make sure to care about yourself. So that was everything for today's video. I just shared with you our platform. You can use the link in the description below to buy some online softwares, email marketing, and so on. You can check them. You can check our website later, and as well I shared with you some important advices about foods that are coming from China. So you need to check the food and the information's label to know where this product comes from and the ingredients and all of this stuff. So that was everything for today's video. See you in the next video.